fruit and citrus food from Manutec is specifically formulated to satisfy heavy feeding plants like fruit trees and especially citrus. Citrus in particular are gluttons for nitrogen, which builds strong leaf growth, so it's important that they get enough of it at the right time. The same goes for potassium, which is the key to good fruit production on a wide range of plants. And they need it especially in spring and autumn, when so much growth occurs. But that means you have to apply it before it's required, in the month prior to be optimally available to the plant. So here in Australia, that's July and August for the spring growth and December to January for the autumn growth. Dissolve the recommended dose and water in around the drip line. You'll need to do this every week for a month. Apart from the big nutrients like nitrogen and potassium, there's also other important minerals like magnesium, sulfur, manganese, zinc, copper and iron to ensure your plants are as vigorous as they can be.